everyone, welcome back to Learn with Pooja. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between agents and large language models. Now let's talk about an important distinction: AI agents versus large language models. A large language model like GPT is designed to understand and generate human language. It's excellent at answering questions, explaining concepts, and holding conversations. But now it's won. An LLM does not take actions. Think of an LLM as a very intelligent advisor. You can ask for advice, but the advisor won't actually carry out tasks for you. An AI agent, on the other hand, uses a LLMs as its brain but goes a step further. It can interact with systems, use tools, and make decisions in real time. So, while an LLM focuses on language, an agent focuses on achieving goal. That is the key difference. Let's break this down even further. AI agents are essentially prompt built on top of LLMs, so designed for a specific purpose. They are not just random conversation, they are carefully structured with a clear task or goal, access tools, and a rule and context. Think of it like a hiring someone. Intelligence alone is not enough. You also give them responsibilities, rules, and access to systems. An AI agent is an LLM with a job description. That's why agents feel more purposeful than chatbots. They are designed to do, not just talk. Let, let's talk about task, tool, rules, and prompts. Every AI agent is built using four components, which are like a core components of agentic AI, which is a task or goal, the thing you want to the agent to do, what the agent is expected to accomplish, that is like a task or goal. Tools. Tools is like a second one. The actions the agent is allowed to perform. This could include searching the web, executing the code, or generating the images. Coming to the third one is a rules or description or backstory, whatever. This provide context and constraints. For example, an agent might be instructed to only respond in Spanish or follow company policies, something like that. The finally, all of this is combined into a single prompt. That prompt act as the agent's complete instruction manual. So when we talk about prompt engineering, we are really talking about designing intelligent behavior. This is about like a task, goal or goals, tools, rules or description or backstory, and finally a prompt. So if you can take the example, task is go to the some practicalintelligent.com and summarize. Then the tool is like a web scraper tool, and rules check full website and scroll down to load all components. So the entire process is like coming under the prompt and more than this later. Now ChatGPT is an agent. Taking another example. Now let's look at the familiar example ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not just a language model. It's an AI agent. Why? Because it can decide when and how to use different tools. If you ask it to calculate something, it uses Python. If you ask for an image, it uses DALI. If you need recent information, it searches the web. So it doesn't blindly respond, it evaluates the request and choose the right action. So the decision making capability is what makes ChatGPT an agent. What are all the tools you have access to help me? What tools does ChatGPT have access to? Let's understand the tool ChatGPT can use. The bio tool allows it to remember useful information about you, such as preferences or ongoing projects, so future responses or more personalized. DALI is like a allow image generation from text description. This turns ideas into visual instantly. Python allows execution of code for calculation, data analysis, and visualization. The web tool allows access to real time information when knowledge needs to be current. Together, these tools transform ChatGPT from a chatbot into an action oriented agent. More into the ChatGPT is an agent, like a prompt injection is another example. This slide demonstrates a user attempting to reveal ChatGPT's internal system instruction. So why is this important? Because it shows that AI isn't operate under hidden system rules that control their behavior. This reinforces the idea that agents are not free thinking entities. They are guided, constrained, and designed for safe and predictable operation. Understanding this helps us trust AI systems while also recognizing their limitations. Coming to the other real-time example is replied agent. So replied agent act like a junior software developer. It can write code, debug errors, and deploy applications. Another example is Thomas Reader console. So this is it analyze legal documents, summarizes cases, and help lawyers make informed decisions. These agent doesn't replace professionals; they amplify productivity. Now we can go with like a evolution of AI agents. Earlierly, AI agents like a rule-based systems with predefined actions. So AI agents have evolved from simple rule-based system to intelligent autonomous assistant. Earlier, system followed fixed instructions. Modern agents can reason, adopt, and collaborate with humans. We are moving towards a future where AI agents handle repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on creativity and strategy. Why AI agents might be essential? So, finally, why are AI agents essential? Because modern problems are complex and time sensitive. AI agents help reduce human workload, increase efficiency, and scale enterprise across organizations. They don't replace humans, they replace repetitive work. And that's why AI agents are not just a trend but a necessity for the future. This is about AI agents. This is the basic information. So we can go into the deep technical info into the next videos. Thank you so much.